just used some Auntie Tay paint to make this 3D home sign wall decor. Those colors are popping. And we'll show you how we made it right now. What is up? Welcome back to another October takeover. Do you like to do it, build it, or make it? Great! We do that on our channel.
This week, we're making a wooden wall decor sign for your front door, for your wall, whichever. And we'll be using Auntie Tay paints in lots of colors. Seafoam, Ellie, Tangerine, Spring, Blanco, Seafoam, and Royal.
That is quite a lineup.
It's quite a lineup right there.
I feel like I'll be doing a lot of painting today.
And you can get these paints at shopauntietay.com, and you can get yourself a discount using our coupon code KNGMakeIt. So let's get started.
Step 1, stain your board. We picked up this circle board from Lowe's for like $7.
Yep.
We're gonna throw some stain on it. We're using a classic gray. It's classic.
I didn't get my gloves.
Oh, we're about to get official.
So we're just gonna give this about 2 minutes to soak in, and then we're gonna wipe the stain off.
Slide that over there.
All right, all wiped off. We're gonna let that sit there and dry.
Step 2, cut out your design. Now I Kung Fu chopped ours out of MDF.
No, you did not.
Okay, I didn't. I used the CNC machine to cut our design out of some MDF.
But you don't have to use a CNC machine. You could use your Cricut or your Silhouette and use some heavy chipboard and do the same thing.
Step 3, paint your design.
Paint them up. We're gonna do this one out of Royal. We're gonna do this flower out of Tangerine. We're gonna do our little petals here out of Seafoam. We're gonna do this flower out of Rain.
Oh.
And then the leaves are gonna be in Spring. The home is gonna be in Brie.
Brie.
And yeah, I don't think I need Ellie. I think the stems are gonna be part of this green here.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's get started.
So we paint. Step 4, we're gonna glue our design on our board. We remember how it went.
Yeah, tricky.
Why don't you put that where a flower will be?
Let's see. Like right there?
Yeah.
Maybe like that? Yeah, let's place it first.
Yeah, we'll place it down. We're gonna place it down, then we'll lift it piece by piece and glue it back down. Yeah, looks good.
Sorry, yes. All right.
All right, now we're gonna paint the backs and stick it to the board.
Stick it to the board.
All right, all glued up. We'll give it like 30 minutes, right?
I think it's like an hour.
We'll give it 30 minutes. All right, that's what we got. Looks great.
It does look great.
Those colors really pop. Yeah, looks great, babe. All right. We're gonna go find a place to hang this thing.
Good job.
Woo! Those colors are smoking. Look at that. This thing really pops. I wish you guys could see it in person. It really pops. And the 3D makes it really stand out.
It is. It's really nice.
I guess
Colors look
that's
great.
the whole point of 3D. Alright, if you guys liked today's video, give us a like. Throw a comment in down there. Let us know what you liked. Let us know what we could have done better. Tell us how poppin', smoking hot those colors are. Alright, if you like this video, again, we do the same type of thing on our channel. Feel free to pop over, see what we got going on, and then we'll see you guys on the next October Takeover.